Sabadi. Hi everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Lao's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make something a little different, but I have this dish. When I was a little girl, my dad cooked for me all the time, and I grew up with it, and I cook like once a week. It's my favorite dish. Okay, it's called spaghetti. But yes, we do like Lao style or my homemade style. Okay, so I want to share with you guys today. See how we cook a little different from Italian food, but I love vegetables, so I'm gonna put a lot of vegetables. Let me introduce you to my ingredient. Okay, what I use today, I use a pork, ground pork. And then I use pasta, the angel hair pasta, okay? And then I use a salt, lagu. I have here carrot, celery, sweet basil, garlic, onion, pepper, and tomato. Olive oil, black pepper, oyster sauce, chicken flavor, sugar, fish salt, sea salt. Okay, I analyze all my product. I got everything that I need, and now let's go ahead and cook with me, okay? Let's start. Okay, I got everything all cut, slice, everything already. And I boiled the pasta, angel hair, ready, nice and soft, perfect for me. spaghetti look good now, guys. But the sap that looks so good, right? And you know how like most of people eat spaghetti, you eat the salad on the side. But I grew up with my parents put a lot of vegetable in my dish. That's how I do it, okay? Instead of do salad, I go ahead, pour it in here and stir them together. Okay? Okay, หน้าตาสปาเกตตี้ค่อยก็เป็นอย่างนี้แหละ That's how my spaghetti look like, okay, guys? And it's a lot of vegetable and it's really healthy. You know what? Cook for your children and treat them so they can eat vegetable too, okay? All right. So what you think? Does look pretty good, huh? Let's have dinner with me, okay? This is a spaghetti that I grew up with, like I say over again. That's how I start to love vegetable, okay? Come on, kid, you can eat too. I know you're watching me eat vegetable. I want you to learn how to eat vegetable, keep that healthy, okay? Let's go eat. Maกินข้าวน้ำกัน. Come on, guys, taste my spaghetti. Make sure you cook this and see what you think, okay? It's really good. Xếp lại. Okay. Well, thank you so much for watching my video. And I know this is difficult time for everybody, and include myself. I did not work. I'm a hairstylist. I did not work for a month now. Okay, and I miss everybody. Cannot cut anybody hair. All I do just lock myself in the house and make the video for you guys. Eat healthy food, okay? So take care, guys. Love your family. Take care yourself and your family, okay? Bye. ลาก่อน See you next time, okay? Bye. And make sure subscribe my channel too, okay? Bye.